Hi, I'm Tazza Monopoly, Cosmetic Chemist and trainee here at the Institute of Personal Care Science, and today I'm going to show you how to make a co-wash product for curly hair. Now, what is a co-wash product? It is a product that is designed to cleanse yet condition the hair at the same time. Pretty much a two-in-one product, but for curly hair. Now, let's get into it. Okay, so here I have my phase A ingredients. To this, I'm going to be adding a little bit of glycerin here. To that, I'm going to be adding some guar hydroxypropyl trimonium chloride. This is going to help build the structure of my co-wash, and it's also going to provide a nice feel to the hair also. Now I'm just going to add a couple of drops here of citric acid to acidify the guar. This is bringing the pH down so the guar hydrates. As you can see here, that there is a bit of a gel starting to form now. This will also get a bit thicker when it's added to heat. Okay, once that's homogeneous, we're going to add that onto the heat. Okay, so while that's heating here, I am going to put together my oil phase. So for my cationic emulsifier, I have the Amino Sensul Ultra MB. Now, a co-wash is designed to cleanse and condition at the same time. So what we need to do is use a relatively high input of a cationic emulsifier. This is going to help condition the hair but also cleanse it. So I have used the Amino Sensul Ultra MB. To this, I'm going to add some Montanov 68. And I'm also going to add some Dermafil Easy Mols Plus. This is a liquid non-ionic emulsifier. Now, to help rinse this cationic emulsifier from the hair so it doesn't leave a residue, we are using quite a high input of non-ionic emulsifier. Now, I have chosen to use both a waxy and a liquid non-ionic emulsifier, only because I don't want it to be too thick. So I've added a good balance of both. Now, co-washes don't contain a lot of oil or lipid, so I'm just adding a very small input of some Dermafil Sensolve. This is a light feeling ester, it's a silicone alternative. This is so the hair doesn't feel greasy or heavy after wash off. Okay, now that that's hot enough, I'm going to add my oil phase now. And as you can see, a nice beautiful emulsion has started to form. It's nice and glossy. And now we can remove that from heat. And we're just going to keep stirring until that cools. Now, once that's cooled a bit, it's starting to thicken up quite well. I'm going to add in my heat sensitive materials. So I've just got obviously my preservative, and I'm also just going to add a little bit of fragrance as well. Now, if you do want your co-wash to be more conditioning, you can of course add some more cationic emulsifier, or if you need it to rinse off a bit better as there is a lot of residue left over, you can increase your non-ionic emulsifier input. You can of course add some polyquats or some extracts for marketing as well. Okay, now I'm just going to adjust my pH. And we're just going to cover this and leave this overnight. It's going to be a bit thicker tomorrow. Okay, so this is what my co-wash is looking like the next day. As you can see, it's a beautiful, viscous, glossy emulsion. Well, there you go. That's how easy it is to create a co-wash for curly hair. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave any questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to receive notification on the rest of our videos. Happy formulating!